Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you do? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 11 and its title is Pari Mahal. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And our today's lecture, lecture number 11, we will learn about reading report cards. So my dear students, before in English for grade 3, already you have learned about class timetable. How we can make a class timetable. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Today we are going to learn further, locate specific information in a calendar and a class timetable and a report card. So today we will learn about especially for a report card. Okay, so let's see that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Qamar, verse number 52, 53, and everything they have done is in the writings, and everything small and big is written down. Subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is a great message to us that everything that we have done, even that is so big and even that is so small, okay, even so small, everything is written down in the shape of documents. What we are doing in this world, our all actions are being written down. So my dear students, from the day after this life, okay, that we are spending in this world, after this life, hereafter, when we will meet Almighty Allah, so everything will be in front of us in the shape of documents that what we had done in our whole life. Okay, so be careful, my dear students. Let's pray from Allah Almighty that Allah Almighty bless us a best way, a good way, okay, to follow it. Ameen. Okay, so let's see that, and we are going to start now. Pre-reading question is for you. What you have to do, you have to share your class timetable with your teacher. Okay, you are following a timetable in your class, so share this class timetable with your teacher. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and get this activity from your students. Good job, welcome back. I hope students know that what is the timetable for their classroom. So what is the timetable? The timetable is a list of the times when particular activities or events are happen. So my dear students, a timetable is the list of activities, list of subjects that in the whole day from morning to till evening, if their school time is, so which activities will be done by the students. So such type of means on which time they have to read their English class and on which time they have to attend their mathematics, which time they will get their lunch break. So this whole procedure when we get down on a paper, on a chart, so such thing is called timetable. So what is a calendar? Already, my dear students, we have read that. So I am refreshing your knowledge. A calendar is a chart or a device which displays the date and the day of the week and often the whole a particular year divided up to into months, weeks and days. So my dear students, on a calendar we get every day in the shape of months, weeks and day. Okay, so let's see that. See, there is a class timetable for you that when you have to get break, when is your English class, when is your maths, history, English and timing is also mentioned there. So such type of activities and such type of charts are called class timetable. And here is another, yes, you can see that there is a calendar for you and this calendar is showing us which whole year, 2023. New year is going on and this is the calendar for us like January, Feb till December. Okay, 12 months are mentioned there and there we can see how many weeks are there. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 weeks are there like in January. Okay, have you got that? So in this way we can find weeks, months and days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Got it? In this way, such type of charts, such type of piece of charts are called calendar. Have you got that, my dear students? So let's see what is a report card. Report cards, sometimes called progress reports, provide written records of students' performance on the curriculum outcomes over a period of time. The purpose of a report card is to inform our child's parents his or her academic progress during the school year. So, my dear students, that report card is a progress report card that sometime in the middle of the session and at the end of the year, your academic year. So your parents come to your school and your progress report is being written in front of them, that how was your progress in subjects, in different subjects, and in co-curricular activities, how you were performing and how you have performed the whole year. So such type of cards are called report cards, your progress report cards. Okay, and some schools also, my dear students, provide progress report cards like test report. We can say that monthly, weekly, or daily on daily basis. Okay, different schedules are there. See there, here is an example of a report card like annual examination, student name, what is Aisha Noor, what was the grade class that they have passed, 4th, that is annual examination. Okay, that you have like attendance, roll number, and you can see series of subjects are there: English, Urdu, Islamiyat, mathematics, science, social studies. Different subjects are there, and what were the total marks and obtained marks. Total marks like 300, total obtained marks 146. Suppose such type of cards are called report cards. And on some report cards we also get comments also. See there, here are comments. Aisha is a good student. She is working hard to improve her rank. She is so caring. Well done. Keep it up. Okay, these are showing that how Aisha is improving in class and how she performed in class. Okay, she is trying to improve her rank because her rank is so she is trying to improve. Got it? So such type of cards are called progress report card. Is it clear, my dear students? Good job. So now what you have to do? See there, here is an activity time. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to provide the students their previous final report cards prints of grade 4 and midterm report card of grade 5. So my dear students, final report card of grade 4 and midterm report card of grade 5. Okay, you will give them, and what student will say? Student will have to analyze their progress in both report cards, engage the whole class and actuate them to work hard. So you have to compare both report cards, that how was your performance in grade 4 final result card and how is your performance in midterm grade 5 report card. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Excellent job. Good job. Now you have compared that how your progress is going on, improving, or you need extra improvement. Okay, good job. So here is a report card for you, my dear students. What you have to do, you have to fill up. Already I have filled in front of you. This report card is given on your book page and you have to perform this activity on your book individually in your class, and your own name will be. But you have to write your own name on your book. Okay, so let's see how you fill up this report card. Good job. I hope you have filled, and you have filled in a nice way because you are showing your extra improvement. Excellent. So what's your homework? You have to make sure monthly test report in your notebook. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below and you should get it and provide it to your students, and they will prepare their progress report card again on worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned about timetables, calendar and report cards. We learned that report cards are progressive reports to check academic quality of students. And in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope you have got that. What are report cards, what are timetables, and what are calendars, and how we can examine them. Good job, my dear students. So tomorrow with the new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.